Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna do slime video again. This is I made slime before or ginawa ko kanina. Like this, little bit stretchy, little bit sticky pa. So, it's actually okay. So guys, I gonna do a slime video again, but fix my slime challenge. So guys, you need a lot of activator if the slime is so sticky. Open it. Oh my gosh, it's a little bit sticky, and yeah, this is my slime. It's really sticky, so oh yeah, it's jiggly and sticky slime, so thick. Oh, my hands now. So now I add an activator, so I have some new activator in there, and put some liquid. So yeah, let's see by my hands. So guys, so nakita niyo ito kanina guys. It's really smooth. It's really sticky. Guys, para na siyang tunaw. At inactivate ko na siya ng onte kasi baka kumalat dito pag hindi ko pa siya inactivate. Sabi na ng onte, and of course, this is my surface. And look this. This is my ito guys, yung pinagpapatungan ng ito. Slime. So, yun nga, medyo madilim na kasi nagkagabi na po. Dito sa amin ngayon, kung umaga dyan nagkagabi na dito, it's 5:30, as in 5:30 na ata. Ate Lori, anong oras na? Ate Lori? 5:31. 5:31 na. Oh, late lang ako ng 1 minute. Oh, sorry, na-late ako kasi siyang pag na-late ako. Tapos hindi ako advance. Late ako. Pero mabuti na yung sakto. Kesa late ako. So, it's clearly, guys. It's clear slime, I think. Oh, yeah, it's clear. More clear. More clear slime. It's better than other slime. So sticky. So, hashtag fix my sticky slime. My slime, sorry. Hashtag my slime. Hashtag my slime. Hashtag fix my slime. So it's a little bit clearly that. So it's kind of slime on my eyes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a little bit. It's a little bit dirty, honesty, and the color is kind of gray color there, but this slime is so amazing. So I review this after I fix my slime. Another video. So I make many video, and yeah, after I make more video and I upload after I have some time. So guys, kasali ko sa take 1. No! 11 ako papasok. Pero 12 to labas naman kasi magpa-practice pa kami. So this slime is very weird. It's very sticky to put my hands. So it added too much box. So I make slime. And every glitter as in. So inubos ko itong button na ito para sa glitter slime. Tiny lang naman, so I know it's okay. I have more glue. I have more glitter, but I know have more glue. Bigay lang sa akin yung glue ko kanina. Ate Lori Jane. Ate Lori Jane. So it's very jiggly. And it's just very sticky slime. So it's sticky, but it's not old slime. This new slime because kakagawa ko kanina. So this is me and this is the slime. So guys, oh yeah. So guys, I fixed the slime to normal slime, not very sticky because it's jiggly. It's a little bit sticky slime, so this slime it's okay to me. So don't add some more borax if you want. So yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye. Wait guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Wait, I think I have some more. Wait. So bye guys, thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like, share this video, comment down below if you want to shout out your names.